Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel We Love Computers. In today's video we are going to continue relational operators in Python. So in today's video we will be discussing relational operator less than. So you can see this one is less than relational operator. It returns true if the left operand is less than right operand. That is, if the value of left operand I have informed you in the previous videos also, operand is a variable or it can be a constant. If the value of variable on left is less than the value of variable on right, then it returns true, else it returns false. So let us do it practically now. Let me start Python. Click idle here. Click on file menu, then click on new file. So give it let us start with the comment, giving a suitable title to the program. Now let us declare two variables, a is equal to 4, b is equal to, let us say, 10. Now we will use if statement. If a less than b, print a is less than b, else print a is not less than, a is not less than b. Now let us save it in a file. Click on file menu and then click on save as. Now select the location where you want to save the file. So I will select Python videos, then relational operators, give it a name, less than .py. Now let us run it with F5 function key. So a is less than b. Now you can check it. The initial value of variable a is 4 and the initial value of variable b is 10. So here you can see that if a less than b is true, the statement if becomes true. So print a is less than b is executed. The else part is skipped and it is not executed. Now let us say we change the value of a to 14, save it, Control S, F5 function key, a is not less than b. So the else part is executed. Statement immediately following the else part is executed. So the print function a is not less than b is executed. Why? Because the initial value of a is 14 in this case and the initial value of b is 10 in this case. So 14 is greater than 10. So the value of a is greater than value of variable b. So the else part is executed, a is not less than b. That's all with the today's topic. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share it with other users. Thanks.